Hey guys, today we're going to schedule a test exam with Credentia.com, as you're going to a browser on your cell phone potentially, and then head down to Credentia, similar to what you see now, and then this will show up. What you do is to click that button, and then it will take you to the website, and then this will be the splash page of the website, and it would have to say that Credentia up top here, and then here find my state. What you do is to go ahead and click find my state. And then definitely, if you're based in California, which you are, you're going to choose the one that says NNAAP California. And then it will validate, will say, welcome test takers in California region. Then what you're going to do next is to click login. Now, if you already have your account, then you don't have to worry about creating an account. Otherwise, we'll just go ahead and log in. So in this case, we'll just have to log in. I'm going to ask a person. Okay. Good, it's already here. It's quick, fast, and then as soon as you are here, first thing to do is you go on the dashboard, and that is the dashboard. And then coming down here is to click on register an exam. So I'm going to go ahead and click register an exam. And here you are going to choose which exam you want to take first. If you decided to take the written exam, go ahead and click written exam, and I'm doing it now. And down below here, then you will be asked to decide whether it's going to be a test center or you do it online, because you can definitely do it online as well. So go ahead and click test center, and then just click that. And then I'm going to ask you to choose a range. So give your range maybe 1 month up to 2 months. So click on this side, and then it will show up here. And then choose your month. Just click this first one here, and then you go this arrow to the right, and it's just a random number. Okay, now you're gonna scroll down here. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. So you got to do next is click search by results. I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and then it's gonna show me, and it begins to look for the most recent and the most earliest day that the student can take their exam. So let's give it a couple more seconds. Now I say that is already available, and down here will indicate those available days that the student can choose. 10/18, it's not available. 19. And then see, we're going to look for the 19th. So click 19th. Then there is an availability on the 19th. So we'll go ahead and click that date. And now it just tells me that it's already been clicked. And down it says here, very importantly, say add cart. So I'm going to go ahead and click add cart. And then it will say here, added to cart successfully. And then immediately it will direct you to the pay or the cart page, which is summary is going to pay. And then you can also just add here, add exam. When you put add exam, you will be taken to the skills part of the exams, and you can also schedule. So now I don't want to pay yet. I'll go click the add exams, which I'm going to do now, and then it will now take me back here. So for this time, I'm going to use the skills. So nurse aid written skills exam, this one right here. I'm going to click that. Come up here on this date, and then choose a date just to begin that. And then this way will be the next day that you think about taking the exams. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here again. So you go them radius, and then search by radius, and then just gonna look for area that I can take my exams on the weekend. So the next weekend will be either 11 the 1st, or 11 the 2nd. 11 the 1st. So click this 10:30 because it begins on 10:30. Okay, so now did I click that? Okay, what I'm gonna do next is to make sure to add that to cart. So it should be added already. Then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to come up to here. This one suddenly shows up, and this is more like a summary about which I chose. So the first one is nurse aid written exam. It says here it's valid dates. I'm going to get from Cal East Nursing Academy on the 19th. Connecting. And then for the also for the nursing skills exam, it's going to be available on 11 the 1st, and there's also the time of the day that you're going to take that on the 13th. 10:30 a.m. And then at this point you will be asked to pay. So at this point you'll go ahead and click pay now, and then this will take you to the splash page, which will your key in your debit card in there as well, and then you create a credit card, and then you click pay. All right, so now it went through, and it says exams was booked successfully, so that's good news. And then Typically, it will just say tell you about the summary of what you have paid for and how you're going to attend your exams. So another thing that you should be aware about, it's also going to send you an email. So we're going to jump out to the email now, and it should tell them in the email whether it was successful. So when you go here, look at that, would say exam scheduled is confirmed. So when you click that, then the student's exam schedule has been indicated here. Your exam has been scheduled. That's your student's name, and then all the details, and also to complete the task for today, which is scheduling and payment, and successfully receiving confirmation from California Credentia state exams. Good luck.